Here's inside the pool view, and you can see the pagodas are just taking over the red flowers and just blooming everywhere. So it's a pretty blooms for July. My planters, I'm a little bit disappointed in these, but of course I've been gone for 2 weeks. So I'm going to give them some Miracle-Gro now that I'm back. And I lost some of the petunia varieties in the planters over here, and I think it's just because it didn't get watered. And here's more pagoda on the side here in front of all the pool pump stuff here, which is all overgrown too. I've got to cut these all back once they finish blooming, but the undergrowth I can trim out a little bit so I can get to access to my path rather. But they are blooming amazing right now in July. Directly outside the pool screen room, this is the view here, and this is the brick path. But I want to show you how my pagodas are just blooming gorgeous. Right here. And then while I was gone on vacation, my little rose bush here started to bloom, and I think it's almost spent right now, but this was a climbing rose, antique climbing rose here. But here's more of the pagodas. I have them all along the border of my property, and they just kind of freely come up everywhere, but I love them. They are, well, let me show you on this one here compared to my hand. Let's see if I can, I mean, they're just huge. The plant. This is about, I want to say 16 inches tall here, the flowering stalk of it. But they're well over 10 feet, the height of the actual plant. But the flowering part is well over 16 inches. And this year I have an amazing amount of them everywhere. I mean, you can see right in here with this banana tree. They're just intermingled right in with the banana, and it's just beautiful.